This tutorial will show you how to quickly get up to speed creating a PowerPoint presentation using CoPilot and online resources. For this particular tutorial, we'll be using Chris Anderson's How to Give a Killer Presentation from the Harvard Business Review. As well as some personal details, Chris gives some advice and tips on how to get your message across effectively. The first thing that we'll do is copy the URL from hbr.org, then in PowerPoint click on the CoPilot button. With the prompt box we then type, create a 10-point slideshow on tips for an effective presentation from our web URL. After this, click on the Run button and CoPilot will start to search through the site. Whilst it doesn't draw everything from the Harvard Business Review story, as it points out this is very widely referenced, and as you can see on the right-hand side, it comes up with some advice on how to make the most effective kind of presentation. From here, it will give a number of suggestions. For example, if you want slide notes to go with this, or to format the outline form for a PowerPoint presentation, or to include examples for each point. In this particular instance, I want to keep the presentation fairly simple. As such, I'll simply type, create a PowerPoint from these suggestions for download. CoPilot will take those slide outlines, analyze them, and from this it will generate a basic PowerPoint which we can then use for our further activities. This may take some time, but when CoPilot is finished, you'll be provided with a link. Click on this and it will open your PowerPoint presentation online. For the next stage, what we really want to do is to work with the desktop version. As such, we need to create a copy and download it. If we now go to our download folder, we can see our draft presentation here, Effective Presentation Tips. This now opens it with a fairly bland series of slides, which are pretty clear, but otherwise not visually compelling. To change this, the first thing we do is click on the Design tab and then select a general theme. Many of these can be overused and will look immediately familiar if you've ever had to sit through death by PowerPoint. As such, you'll want to make your own changes. You should see the Design Suggestions prompt open on the right-hand side. If you can't see this, simply click Design Suggestions to bring it up. From here, you can start to work a little bit more effectively with your PowerPoint. In this instance, I'll use a much stronger red and black frame for each of the slides. You can also pick images that are suggested, as well as different themes. By going through each of these in turn, you can quickly create a much more effective and visually appealing PowerPoint that will connect with your audience. In the example here, I'm sticking to this red and dark theme throughout. If at any point you want to try a different overarching theme, simply select from the top and this will then apply the base defaults. You can then work through different forms of style designs for each of your individual slides. When everything's complete, simply save your presentation.